welcome to 45 Action News. I'm Kyle Benner. Today we're going to be talking a little bit about some atomic models. Out in the field we've got our lead correspondent, Phil McRaking, to talk to you about John Dalton. Take it away, Phil.
Hey Kyle, today we'll be talking about Dalton's model. John Dalton first created the Dalton's atomic theory in the year 1803. It was the very first model after the Democritus proposed atomics. Some historical facts with this, if you will, with this model is it created a large period of table, at least he did. It didn't. It was the first to study weather from the scientific viewpoints. And some historical facts on John Dalton himself. He became a science and math teacher very early in life, around the age of 12, which is hard to believe. Some literature arts involved with this is the Dalton's atomic theory is named after him, obviously, if you know. And it published the table of atomic weights. I know we said that before, but it's still literature, okay? Some scientific discoveries with this. It's the atomic weights, first atomic model. It contributed to scientific understanding of the nature of matter. I believe we have some other models that we're talking about tonight. Back to you, Kyle. Back.
Thank you, Phil. Now we got a few more models from our friend Karaoke. Doing some scrapbooking, Carrie? No, I am researching the models. As you can see, that's a picture of me. My first one I'm going to talk about is Niels Bohr's model. It was developed by Niels Bohr in the year 1913. Bohr applied the quantum theory to Rutherford's atomic structure. Bohr was on the British team of the Manhattan Project. Bohr received the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1922 for atomic research. Tube alloys was named for the British nuke program, which Bohr participated in. Crazy, right? Met with Einstein at his house in Leiden on December. Sometime back in the past. Anyway, I'm too old to remember this stuff. Helped to create CERN as one of the forefathers. In 1997, Danish National Bank circulated a 500 krone banknote with a picture of Bohr smoking a pipe. I love pipes. Bohr's model was recommended as one of the semi-centennial with a postage stamp showing Bohr, the hydrogen atom, and the formula for the difference of any two hydrogen energy levels. HR equals E2 minus E2. Now I'm going to show you a picture of Bohr's model. Oh, wrong picture. The Bohr atomic model, right here, as you can see. Now I'm going to tell you the scientific discoveries and inventions that derived from this model's advancement. The production of the atomic bomb. Hey folks, we just moved into the old newsroom, and I'm getting word that Phil McRaking is getting some breaking coverage on some new models that we don't know about from a pedestrian outside. Phil?
Oh, hey, Kyle. Okay. Well, I was wondering. By the way, I got a new little tie here, and I was just wondering. There's other people that know more about this than me, because I'm just an average reporter here. So I found this strapping young fella, and he's got a little mustache, and I was just wondering, what do you know about them here models?
My name is Mike, first of all.
Yeah, what's your name?
Alright. We got the plum pudding model here. This is what it looks like.
That's what it looks like, folks.
It was developed by J.J. Thompson in the year 1904. This model incorporates the electron, which Thomson actually discovered. Some historical events include that they knew in the dawn of the 20th century that negative electrons existed.
That means less than 0, folks.
Yes. Negative electrons mean less than 0. G.J. Stoney proposed atoms of electricity to be named electrons. And the 1904 model was dismissed by 1909's gold foil experiment. So, keep in mind this is not right, okay? It's wrong.
It's wrong!
Literature and arts, they have stuff to do with it. It's named a plum pudding model because it looked like plums and pudding. Simple as that. This model was the first introduced in the Philosophical Magazine. That was a magazine back in the day, okay? And Thomson won the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1906 for his research.
That's pretty darn good there, folks.
Got that right. With this gold foil experiment was inspired, and we became one step closer to the true atom model with Ernest Rutherford's model, which was right after. Thomson invented the mass spectrometer, if you didn't know. Another scientific discovery. Also, he discovered potassium's radioactivity. No one knew that it was radioactive until he discovered it. And finally, this was an advancement from his previous nebular atom model. I get.
So you have there for us, sir?
Yes, sir.
And what's your name again, young sir?
My name is Mike.
Oh, that's Phil McCracken and Buck reporting here.
See ya. Alright, back in the old newsroom, I'm getting some more word that we got even more pedestrians that want to talk about these models. To give the viewers at home a little more knowledge, okay? We got our new intern, Turkey Guy, on the scene. Turkey Guy?
Oh, hey, Calvin, how you doing? Yeah, this is, Turkey Guy, I'm the intern, you know, I'm working this Adam's Thanksgiving. We had this gentleman, I don't know his name. What's your name, good sir?
Mike Easter.
Mike Easter. Mike Easter, as in Easter.
Like the holiday.
Easter. Now, what are you going to be talking about us today, sir?
I'm going to be telling you about Ernest Rutherford.
What do you do?
He created an atomic model back in 1911. It was the third model created in the 5 major. The various particle paths and the nucleus was the differences in the model compared to, the earlier models, such as, Dalton's model, first one. Right here's the picture. Okay, see the picture.
See, right here.
Here's the picture. Right there. Kind of cool little atoms chilling out in there. Some historical warfare events that happened from the atom were the tube alloys, the British nuclear weaponry. The logo of the United States Atomic Energy Commission, or the IRA, is Rutherford. It's a Rutherford atom enclosed in olive branches.
Olive branches there.
Pretty cool. The literature arts is the Rutherford atom model is used to show the show it used to be on and canceled now, I guess. Jimmy Neutron, and y'all youngsters know about that.
That was a good show back in my day. I'm still in the 20s, and I used to watch that show.
The Rutherford model is also named after Mr. Ernest Rutherford.
Makes sense since it's called Rutherford's nuclear model, I guess.
Some scientific discoveries and inventions that derived from this model's advancement was the fact that most of the atom was made up of empty space.
That's completely empty.
And it was identified the isotope of uranium that was responsible for slow neuron fission, whatever that means. So
I don't know what that means. Can you explain?
You have to ask someone who's an Einstein about that.
Well, you look like an Einstein. Can you tell us about that?
No, I can't. Have a nice day, folks.
Alright, that's Turkey Guy reporting. What's your name, good sir?
Mike.
That's Tyke Hester there for you. And send it back to you, Kyle. And stay classy.
Hi, this is Kyle Benner back at Channel 45 News. To end this... That was so good. To end this atomic model segment, I'm going to talk to you guys about the electron cloud, made by Erwin Schrödinger and Werner Heisenberg in the year 1920. This model was built upon Bohr's model, but it took it to a new direction, explaining that the electron cloud is where the electrons are likely to be found, though they cannot say where exactly they are found. This dealt with more complex situations of atoms, okay? History includes that this is the most current model today. It helps us understand more about the atomic theory, and the mode provides means of finding location of atoms has around the atomic nucleus. I don't know who wrote that, but I can't understand what they wrote. And to sum it all up, atomic orbitals started being widely used as a result of this discovery. On behalf of the whole news team, I'm Kyle Benner. And for Channel 45 News, I'm signing out. You stay classy, America.